Now, let us talk about the revenue model of the retail business. How does it work? If you look at this diagram, what you see here is that retailer lies in between. On one side you have got suppliers and manufacturers, and the other side you have got consumers. The key stakeholders here are the retailers, the suppliers and the manufacturers, and the consumer, of course. The retailer buys items called merchandise. This is the term that you will be using throughout this course, from various suppliers or manufacturers. He stocks and displays the merchandise in the store in appropriate price points. He also promotes the activity of the merchandise in the store to the target consumers. The consumers visit the store, evaluate the store offerings, and buy the merchandise as per their requirements. If they are happy and satisfied, they will keep coming back to the store, patronize the store, and be the loyal customer of the store. Now, the revenue model for the retail business involves the following. The first, investment of the retailer. In the store, they have to procure the real estate, infrastructure, store interiors, invest in the atmospherics. So, there is investment involved in the store. Then, in the stock, not the stock market, but the inventory, that is buying from the merchandise, from the suppliers or the manufacturers, its storage, its transportation, maintenance, and then also managing the obsolescence or the wastage, etc. So, the investment involved in the stock. And thirdly, in manpower, the people who are going to run the store. So, here we are talking about managerial and shop floor employees, the recruitment, training, development, etc. All these are involvement of the retailer in the manpower. And then in technology, retailer has to invest in technology, in the hardware and software requirement for the functioning of the store. So, these are the investment from the retailer. The returns, the return of the investment from the retailer is from the sales of goods and services. And of course, they can also get some returns from the promotion. The various brands or manufacturers, they promote the items inside the store through posters, hoardings, sometimes video messages. So, if you have got a preferential treatment, if you want a preferential treatment, then you have to pay more for that, and that is also a source of revenue for the retailer. As a result, the retailer needs continuous and regular relationship with the supplier as well as manufacturer. It also needs constant inflow of the consumers. So, for the success of any retail business, the retailer needs to maintain a good relationship with the supplier or the manufacturer. It also needs to satisfy the customer on a regular basis. So, like any other marketing function, the retailer needs to identify the customers, their characteristics and reasons why they buy from the store. The traditional marketing tools like segmentation, targeting, differentiation and positioning, and the knowledge of the consumer decision making process helps a lot in understanding the retail consumers and in turn the retail business.